The 2004 Chevrolet Avalanche. The Chevy Avalanche can transform from an SUV into a full-size pickup truck all in less than a minute. This makes the Avalanche one of the most flexible vehicles out there. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, keyless entry, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, cruise control, aluminum wheels, auto-dimming rear-view mirror, four-wheel disc brakes, floor mats, rear defrost, AM/FM stereo radio, fog lamps, trip computer, bed liner, power windows, power door locks, security system, CD player. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood, so call or drop in for a test drive today.